This is Meri Jan, my Pakistani truck art painted motorcycle. Meri Jan means my darling in Urdu, and trust me, she is. Even though she's almost as old as I am, Meri Jan and I have traveled thousands of kilometers on multiple continents already. Of course, she didn't start out quite so rainbow. Meri Jan and I first met in Europe back in 2021 when she was still a plain white Suzuki DR650. The real fun began when I brought her to Pakistan in 2022 and had her pimped out by Pakistani truck artists before shipping her off to the Middle East. The artist had zero forewarning or prompt at all. I just rode into the workshop one day and asked them to paint my motorcycle. Here is what went down.